Welcome back to another update on our time here in the shipyard. Today we're diving into some critical work on the hull. We'll take you through cutting access points, cleaning the tanks, and inspecting the hull's thickness to ensure everything is in top shape for the seasons ahead. One of the big jobs this week was cutting access holes into the hull. These are necessary for us to get into the tanks, areas that are otherwise impossible to reach without major work. While it's always a bit nerve-wracking to see tools cutting into your hull, this is all part of the keeping the boat strong and reliable. Alright guys, we're punching holes on the hull. This is going through the tanks. Tanks needs to be inspected and cleaned. Wow, this is a big work, guys. Alright. This is I don't know. You think we can make it, Mario?
Of course we can.
Alright. One of our routine tasks in the shipyard is repainting the markers on our anchor chain. These markers are crucial for knowing exactly how much chain we've let out. And over time, they can fade or wear off. Here, you'll see Korea hard at work, repairing and painting them. Korea is our chief stewardess, but every time we're in the shipyard, she takes on this job and she genuinely enjoys it. It's a refreshing change of pace for her. Swapping the interior work for some time outdoors, doing something hands-on. It's become her go-to task, and honestly, she does an amazing job making sure those markers are sharp and easy to see again. There's the engine room up there. There's our new holes, guys. This is the new holes right there. Total access, guys. Right, this is one of the holes that we need to cut because we need access to the tanks to be sandblasted. So that is another access there for the person to be doing the blasting. Yeah. So big job. Right beneath our crewmates is the fuel tank, and it's finally time to get in there. For total safety, our engineers have been airing out all the tanks for a while before we access them and start working. Fuel tanks are definitely cleaner than the black tanks, no surprise there. But what really caught my attention is standing here in the crewmates and being able to see straight through the hull. It's such a strange sight. Doesn't feel normal at all, but it's fascinating to see the boat from this perspective. This area here is already been blasted, so they move on to the next tank, which is over there, the next cubicle. It's all been condoned. It's all been covered. The guys just finished blasting for the day. It's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve, but they're finished right now. Are you done for today? Varnishing? Oh, varnishing. Blasting.
Blasting! That's not terminal blasting. No.
This is the guys here doing the sandblasting.
Oh, see, eh?
Dirty job. Dirty job. Is that done? Finished?
Yeah.
Wanna have a look? Oh my God! He's scooping all the dust from the blasting. Over time, tanks collect grime, sediment, and even corrosion. This access gave us a chance to deep clean them thoroughly. It's hard, dirty work, but a clean tank ensures better water or fuel quality and helps us avoid future problems. You guys still working today?
No, it's finished.
Finished?
Yeah, 2 o'clock, yeah.
Christmas now, no? Let's have a look. Oh wow, this is a blasted area. Hats off to the team handling the sandblasting. It's one of the toughest job out here. It's noisy, messy, and relentless, but absolutely essential for stripping down the surfaces and prepping them for a fresh start. The hard work behind the scenes makes all the difference, and they truly deserve all the credit for tackling such a demanding task. Right here, guys, this is all the predetermined areas that the surveyor wants to check. So they already checked it. The people that will test the thickness of the metal. So they sanded like in each corner, it's all sanded. So this is what they find. So this has been sanded to the aluminum. That's 10 millimeter right there. 9.9, 9.9. Yeah, I'm going to the apartment, going home. No one's working today. All of the crew, the shipyard is quiet. But I just came past by the boat to check on the guys because they're going to finish the bow. They're gonna put the ceiling coat just after lunch right now, and then they're done with the Christmas break, except the watchkeepers. We have watchkeepers that they own the boat 24/7. Very quiet. Shipyard is the quietest you've ever seen. The last time I'd say this quiet was during the pandemic. We were in the yard for a year. Uy! Ikaw na!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Christmas Day! Nagtrabaho kayo!
Loyal, oh, loyal.
Nagtrabaho pala kayo? As we wrap up this week in the shipyard, it's incredible to see how much progress we've made. The hull access points are cut and prepped, allowing us to thoroughly clean the tanks and inspect the hull's thickness. Every step here ensures the safety and longevity of our boat. We've also taken care of some smaller but equally important tasks, like repainting the anchor chain markers, keeping everything ship-shape for when we're back on the water. It's been a mix of precision work and hands-on effort, but the results speak for themselves. There's still a long road ahead, but this is the kind of progress that keeps us motivated. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next update as we continue bringing this boat back to life.